Self-practice 4.8 question 4. Solve the following equations. Right, when they say solve, basically we need to find the value of x. So let's look at A. What we can do here is, this one don't have surd, we can move this over the other side. So surd 2 minus 7x equals to negative 2x. Then the square root here, we can bring it over the other side. This one will become square. So we can say 2 minus 7x is negative 2x squared. So negative 2x squared will be 4x squared. So now what we can do is, we can bring all of this to one side. So let's move all of this here. 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so negative 7x become positive. Positive 2 becomes negative. Then one side will be 0. Why we have to bring all this one to one side is because we have to solve this using factorization. This is quadratic equation. So to factorize, we can just use our calculator. Select the polynomial. So A is 4, B is 7, C is negative 2. So x is negative 2 and x is 1 over 4. So putting this into the bracket, it will become x plus 2. This one will be 4x minus 1. Okay, 4 you bring there first and then minus 1. So this will be our answer. Done. Let's look at B. Here, a bit difficult, but let's try. So we have said 2x plus 1 plus, we can bring this set over the other side. This one we bring over. So equals to 2 minus 2x minus 1. Right. So now no choice, we have to square both sides to get rid of the set. So when you square this, you have to square this as well. Right. So when you square this, square root and square cancels off. So we get 2x plus 1. This one, since we got 2 terms, if you square this, you're going to get 3 terms. The first term will be 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. The last term will be this squared. So negative, if we square, we'll get positive. Square root square will just be 2x minus 1. Then in the middle here will be 2 times this term times this term. So 2 times 2 is 4. So this will be, let me move this here first. So we will get negative 4 surd 2x minus 1. And we can erase this. Right. So as you can see, we still have a surd here. So what we do is, whichever got no surd, we bring it all to this side, to one side. So 2x plus 1 minus 4 minus 2x plus 1 equals to negative 4 surd 2x minus 1. Right, let's try to solve this. So 2x minus 2x cancels off. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Equals to negative 4 surd 2x minus 1. Then this negative 4 we can move over this side, become divide. So negative and negative will cancel off, leaving us with 2 over 4, which is also 1 over 2. Then this square root, we move over this side, becomes square. So 1 over 2 square is 2x minus 1. So 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4, 2x minus 1. So we try to make x the subject, 1 we move here, so 1 over 4 plus 1 is 2x. 1 over 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4, so x will be, 2 we bring here become divide, so 5 over 8. Done. This is B. So when we have two square roots, we try to bring one of it to the other side, then easier. Okay, let's look at C. Same thing. So 4x plus 3 equals to 2 plus 4x minus 1. So we square both sides. So we get 4x plus 3 here, because square root and square cancels off. Here we'll get 3 terms. So the first term is 2 square, which is 4. The last term is this one square. So square root square cancel off, we get 4x minus 1. And then the middle term is 2 times 2 times this. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times this will be 4 third 4x minus 1. Done. Right, whichever got no square root, we bring to one side. So 4x plus 3 minus 4 minus 4x plus 1, 4x minus 1. So 4x minus 4x cancels off. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So this whole thing is 0. So here 4 we can bring over this side, become divide. 0 divided by 4 is still 0. So this whole thing is still 0. And then square root, we can move over this side, become square. So the square of 0 is also 0. 0 square is also 0 lah. So from here, 4x minus 1 is 0 means 4x is positive 1. Okay, I move the negative 1 over here, become positive. Therefore, x is 1 over 4.